Dear children of class 4th, we are discussing about the next chapter 5, and in this we are discussing about one of the state of India which has given a number of pride movement to us, that is Bihar. Dear children, there is a Muzaffarpur district in Bihar where there is a village named Bochaha, and in that Bochaha village there is a girl star. The girl star means that she has changed her life by the studies. So in this Bochaha village there is a girl that name is Anita Kushwaha. So Anita Kushwaha lived in Bochaha village of Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. So this is the story about her. So let us discuss. She dreamt of the school. One day I peeped into the school in our village. I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children. I felt so happy. I went home and picked up courage to talk to my parents about going to the school, but they told me clearly that I could not do so. That day I cried and cried. Dear children, she was from the poor family, so she was not allowed to go to the school. But she could not stop. She tried her best, and what she did next? Look ahead. One of the teachers in the school helped her and go to her parents and explained about the right to education. Dear children, this is the Act 2009 in which the free education and the compulsory education is there for the children of age 6 to 14. So this is the right to Act 2009, that this provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. So you must learn this. Now she started staying in the school. It means she started to go to the school. She completed her class 5 and now she needed more money for the class 6. But her parents denied and told her to leave the school. But she wanted to study more and she found a new way to earn money. She started to give the tuitions to the children. After a few days, a number of children come to her to study. Dear children, now she started to motivate other daughters of the village also to go to the school. And one of her secret, do you know? That she started to learn a motorcycle also. She started to ride a motorcycle. She fell down and got hurt many times, but she was happy and she won. Now she studies also and she started riding the motorcycle also. So this is the motivational moment for us also, that we can also learn anything if we have caliber. Dear children, Anita Kushwaha knew that there were a number of lychee trees in her area, and government organized a course of beekeeping in that area. She also joined that course and learned beekeeping. Now she knew that honeybees lay their eggs from October to December, and this is the best time to start the beekeeping. Dear children, do you know that on lychee trees the flowers come on in February month? Dear children, now we will do some question answers and you have to give the answer on the basis of studies. This is to choose the correct answer. The first one is, ants have how many legs? That is 6 legs. Second one, what kind of eatables attract ants? The sweet eatables attract the ants. So these are the questions on basis of studies. The third one, which of these live like honeybees and the ants? Both means the termites and the wasps, they live like the honeybees, and ants means they live in the colonies, in the groups. We have discussed this about yesterday. The fourth one, dash bee lays eggs in hive. Students, there are different types of bees in the hive, and the queen bee lay eggs in the hive. The next question, the fifth one, is dash ants guard the nest. Dear students, the worker ants guard the nest. So I hope you are enjoying the question answers. The multiple choice question answers here are. The next question is, lychee tree come to flower in the month of February. So the flowers come in the month of February, and honeybees collect the nectar from that and fill their comb, and in the month of October to December they lay the eggs. The next question, to fill in the blanks with suitable words. These words are given here, and the first one is, every child has the dash to free education up to class 8th. They have the right to get the free education up to class 8th. Next fill-ups. Dash bees have no special role as worker. Dear children, male bees have no special role as the worker. Third one, worker bees collect dash from one flower to another. They collect the nectar. Fourth, worker bees make the dash and look after the dash bees. They make the hive and they look after the baby bees. The fifth one, dash eatables attract ants. The sweet eatables attract the ants. So these one were the fill-ups. There were 5 fill-ups you have to do and write in notebook also, along with the multiple choice question answers today. The next question is, match the columns. Here 2 columns are given. Honeybee sting, 12 kg honey, buzz, February, October to December. And in the B block there are some other names. You have to match them. Honeybee to which one, 12 kg honey to which one, buzz is which one, February to which one. Let us see the answer. Honeybee's sting, that gives a pain lot. 12 kg honey is collected from one box. Buzz is the sound of honeybee. February is the month in which lychee tree gives the flowers. October to December is the month in which honeybees lay the eggs. So dear children, today you have to do all these question answers after watching the video carefully and with interest also, and write these question answers in your notebook properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.